Hello everyone, this is the second part of our chapter number 11, Force, Work and Energy. Simple machines. Simple machines are the devices that make our work faster and easier. Simple machines are of different types like lever, pulley, wheel and axle, inclined, plan, wedge and screw. First number, lever. Lever is a simple machine used to cut things. For example, scissors. Lift weights. For example, seesaw. Open lids. For example, bottle opener. A pair of scissors. This is a good example of lever. A bottle opener. This is a good example of lever. Okay. Second number, pulley. Pulley is a simple machine used to draw water from the well. It consists of a rope running over a wheel. The wheel is grooved to prevent the rope from slipping. It's a pulley. Okay, it's a picture of pulley and a well. Because of the pulley we can get water from the well. Inclined plan. An inclined plan is used to load heavy barrels, sacks, etc. onto trucks. It is basically a slope over which a load can be pushed or pulled easily. It's a picture of an inclined plan. Fourth number is screw. A screw is used to hold the things together. It is basically a nail. With grooves cut into it. It's a picture of a screw. A wedge or axe. Wedge. A wedge is a simple machine used to cut things. For example, axe, knife, etc. It consists of two inclined planes that join to form a sharp edge at one end. Sixth number, wheel and axle. A wheel and axle arrangement is made up of a wheel and a rod. Rod passes through the center of a wheel. The wheel rotates around the rod. It helps to move heavy objects. A string wheel and bicycle pedals are examples of wheel and axle. Dear students, it's a picture of wheel and axle. Okay, wheel and axle. It's an axle. Okay, it's an axle and it's a wheel. It's a wheel and it's axle. Now, work. Move your chair. You can easily move it. Now try to move the wall of your classroom. The wall does not move. You apply force in both the activities, but work is done only in the first case because on applying force, chair moves but the wall does not move. Work is said to be done only when a force applied on a body makes the body move in the direction of the force. Here we can see movement when we move or when we push a chair, work is said to be done. Here we can observe in this picture movement. Here the boy who is applying force to the wall, and no work is done because it is heavier than the force. Okay, that is why the wall is very heavy and the force is less. Okay, that is why no movement we can be observed. Now MCQs. First number, blank is an example of a wedge. Answer is A, or answer is C, axle. Answer is C, axle. Second number, when a force changes the position of an object, blank is said to be done. Answer is B, work. Answer is B, work. Third number, bottle opener is an example of blank. Answer is C, lever. Answer is C, lever. Okay. Now energy. Energy is the ability to do work. We need energy to do anything, from lifting, pushing or pulling, to breathing, laughing and talking. We need energy to live. Source of energy. Most of the energy on the earth comes from the sun. Some other sources of energy are wind and water. First number, sun. The sun is the main source of energy on the earth. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. Plants use solar energy to make food in the green leaves. Solar energy is used in solar cookers and solar heaters for cooking and heating. Solar energy can also be changed into other forms of energy like heat energy, electrical energy and light energy. Dear students, it's a picture of solar cooker. Okay. Wind. Second number, wind. Energy from the wind is called wind energy. It is used to move the fans of a windmill. This helps to move the shaft of the generator, which in turn produces electrical energy. Dear students, it's a picture of windmill. Okay, as the wind will come, these three like fan will move, and nearby it has been joined the motor. Okay, the move shaft of the generator and it will produce electrical energy. Then now third number, water. Flowing water also has a lot of energy. It is called water energy or hydro energy. Energy of water falling from dam is used to rotate the turbines of the generator to generate electricity. Electricity produced by the energy of the flowing water is called hydroelectricity. Dear students, it's a picture of hydroelectricity. Hydro energy is used to produce electricity. Now, change of energy. Energy can be changed from one form to another. Fuels like wood, coal and petrol have chemical energy. This chemical energy changes into heat and light energy on burning the fuels. When we switch on an electric bulb, it gets lightened because the electrical energy of bulb changes into light energy. Okay, so here we have completed our whole chapter. Let's learn no more. Kinetic energy is the energy of an object due to its motion, and potential energy is the energy of an object due to its position. Okay, then some other forms of the energy are magnetic, chemical, nuclear, and atomic energy. So here we have some points to remember. Force can move, stop, speed up, slow down, or change the direction or shape of an object. Gravity and friction are the two types of forces that act all the time. Lever, pulley, inclined plane, screw, wedge, and wheel and axle are simple machines that make our work easier. When a force moves an object in its direction, work is done. The sun, wind, and water are the sources of energy. Dear students, here we have completed our whole exercise. In the next part or in the next video, we are going to check out the exercise. Thank you.